HT802 Protection Relay Test Set, produced by Huatian Electric Power Company, is a professional instrument. It is a three-phase industrial computer-type instrument with four-phase voltage and three-phase current output. Each phase voltage can output 120 V. Each phase current output 40 A. Three-phase parallel output 120 A. Arbitrary or simultaneous output of multiple voltages and currents. Built-in test software. Powerful, easy to operate. Industrial computer-based instruments have the advantage of software that single-chip computer does not have in complex protection tests, such as differential test, which makes the test operation more simple and convenient. The left side of the instrument panel is the terminal area. From top to bottom, the order is 8 groups of open in, 4 groups of open out, 4 groups of voltage output, 1 group of fixed output, 3 groups of current output, 1 power amplifier switch and reset button, and 1 grounding terminal. On the right is the industrial computer display screen and host switch, notebook interface, and USB interface. On the back of the instrument is the power interface. Let's give a simple demonstration of the use of HT802. First, wiring. We need to find the current input terminal, power supply terminal, and trip outlet terminal of the protection device. They are connected to the current output terminal of HT802 protection relay tester. The fixed output and input terminal of 110 V and 220 V respectively. After wiring, turn on the power supply of the relay protection tester. After entering the system, turn on the power amplifier switch. Select the AC test module. Then, in the protection device, first enter the system settings. Find the fixed value of the pressure plate and put into overcurrent protection. Return to the fixed value view and set the instrument parameters according to the fixed value in the protection device. Generally, the current amplitude is slightly lower than the overcurrent protection value. And then the current step is set according to the actual situation. After setting, enter the switch setting option. According to the wiring mode, set the corresponding input mode and switch type. Manual automatic tests can be selected according to personal habits. We choose the manual test. Click to start the experiment. Manual test needs to control the change of current manually. And automatic test can only be used when the input quantity is connected. The relay operates when the output current of the instrument reaches the set value of overcurrent protection. HT802 instrument appeared test results and its overcurrent protection test was completed. During the test of HT802 protection relay test set, we should pay special attention to the fact that we must find the correct terminal on the protection before we can connect it and set it after confirming the protection setting value. Prevent the damage of the protective device caused by wrong wiring and wrong voltage and current output. In the course of the experiment, we should not blindly or roughly carry out the trial test. We need to find the wiring and the input value of the value protection according to the drawing of the fixed end and the protection end. In the course of the test, we must ensure that the phenomena of voltage short circuit and current open circuit are prevented. After the test is completed, we should first turn off the power amplifier switch. Then turn off the power amplifier switch and disconnect the port. Do not dismantle the line when the power amplifier switch is turned on and the instrument is output, so as to prevent damage to personnel and equipment.